what's up everybody? My name is Mark Supsick and I'm a certified wine and spirits professional and sommelier. And today I'm going to be opening up a shipment that I got from WTSO. Wine's still sold out. For those of you who are not familiar with WTSO, they're an online wine store, but they're a little bit different. They deal in what they call flash wine sales. In other words, they get limited quantities from winemakers around the world and they sell out very quickly. I've got a new shipment from WTSO, so I'm really excited to show you what's in the box. Oh yeah. First off the bat, we have a beautiful Pinot Noir from Anderson Valley, which is Mendocino, California. Wonderful region for Pinot Noir. I can't wait to taste that one. Ooh. Nebbiolo. I love Barolo. This is from the northern part of Italy, and this is from a really amazing winery called Desani. Actually, WTSO is running a special all month long for their 17th anniversary. Looks like we got a white wine. This is a Puy Fumé. This is like the OG Sauvignon Blanc. It's from Central France. An amazing white wine. 95 point Rioja, made of Tempranillo from the northern part of Spain. Now, if there's anything that WTSO prides itself on, it's customer service. They're one of the few companies that you'll still get an actual human being, either on the phone or through email. So they guarantee every bottle that they sell. So if you don't like something, they always try to make it right. All right, got to take a little wine break. I mean, can't unbox wine without drinking wine. Ooh, nice. So this is a Sauvignon Blanc from a region of Spain that is well known for its rosés. I think that's a 92 point wine too. Oh, awesome. This is a Saint-Emilion classic Bordeaux red made from Merlot. If you love your big bold reds, this is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to open that one. What am I saying? I can't wait to open all of these. Nice Côte d'Aron there from the south of France. These are excellent for grilled meats. You can never go wrong with a Napa Valley Cabernet. This is from Atlas Peak, high altitude wine. It's what they call a mountain wine, and it's a 2015. So the secret sauce, or like the magic that makes WTSO work, is that they strike up personal relationships with a lot of these small wineries, and they secure limited quantities. That's one of the reasons why they're able to offer up to 70% off their retail prices, and why the inventory doesn't last very long. Oh, and we're ending on a Châteauneuf-du-Pape, one of my favorite red wines, and excellent for the holidays. All right, that's a whole lot of wine there. Now that these are out of the box, I'm pretty excited to try them. And if you're interested in trying them with me too, I'm going to do an individual top line video for every one of them. So in order to catch those videos, be sure to subscribe to the WTSO YouTube channel, and I'll post them there regularly. And of course, to buy wines like these, head on over to WTSO.com and shop to your heart's content. Oh, by the way, shipping is free for orders of 4 bottles or more than $60, which is an awesome perk. All right, everybody, thanks for hanging. Cheers.